Guys, welcome to my video. Don't press the button. How much time do you have to take? No, but you might be in some of the game of the day. The much time of the game of the much time of the game Roblox. The sun jumps on the button. This is the day. Doesn't do this bad. Double two. Double two. This is here. Double two. Double two with the kids in the game at two. Double two present for 8 times. Uh-oh, the button didn't work. Press the button if you found it. Number 2 didn't give it to the game. No, give it say. Give it say. Number 2 D. Number 7 time. What's the for? What's the animations? What's this? How much able to give me focusing? There will be some troubles and don't press the button. There's a mumble something. Double time. Moses, where? That's the shimmer. Double Timothy. Double die! Double the game.
Michael here.
They shouldn't give it to you. Get on the wall program. Great. Good job. So many colors you have. There's some the game. What do you see? Little game. Double but don't do the same 7 to 72 times. No, but some of the other 70 games. How many games? 7 the game is 5. They faster. Baba the game say bye. Hope it's the game is the game faster. Mine. Hope it's the game is some of the guy. Ho, how many games is faster? No one's on the game with all my team. Double the game is normal. How much some of the game is in the game? Double I'm coming. What's the me I'm coming. No summertime. Oh. Double summertime. Number 10 yay! Double 10 get off. You see me go. What do you see? Mama, take it, she corner no time. And with them the corners. Down bound to get the limity, but there's a bus on the bird, guess. Oh, he. Trouble Jimson, okay. Oh, you fall the rain. Some of yellow, green, blue. No, but some of the additions of the goods and the 71 of the cool. What's in the game? The baton to my soul, but something this is over. No, but the basafa. This is the bug button. See. Good job. Jump against the K. What's the why? Don't wide. Your mama gave it to me. Somebody give it somebody say. Good job! Don't press the button. Bye bye. See you soon to check you.